times. Let's stand together as we sing "There Is One Gospel."
I stand for all eternity. It is my story, my Father's plan. The Son has rescued me. Oh, what a gospel, oh, what a peace, my highest joy and my deepest need. Now and forever He is my light. I stand in the gospel of Jesus Christ.
One gospel to which
I cling, all else I count as lost. For there where justice and mercy meet, He saved me on the cross. No more I boast in what I can bring, no more I carry the weight of sin. For He has brought me from death to life. I stand in the gospel of Jesus Christ. There is one gospel where hope is found. The empty tomb still speaks. For death could not keep my Savior down. He lives and I am free. Now on my Savior I fix my eyes. My life is His and His hope is mine. For He has promised I too will rise. I stand in the gospel of Jesus Christ. And in this gospel the church is one. We do not walk alone. We have His Spirit as we press on to lead us safely home. And when in glory I will sing of this old story that rescued me. Praise to my Savior, the King of life. I stand in the gospel of Jesus Christ. And when in glory still I will sing of this old story that rescued me. Praise to my Savior, the King of life. I stand in the gospel of Jesus Christ. Praise to thy Savior, the King of life. I stand in the gospel of Jesus Christ. I stand in the gospel of